Is Hume Body Pod worth it? Honest Review 2026. In this video, I'm giving you an honest answer about whether the Hume Body Pod is worth your money. I'll cover the real pros, real cons, and who should actually buy it. The original price is $350, but they often run promotions. Right now, the code HEALTH20 brings it down to $200. That's significantly cheaper. You can also pay $18 per month for 18 months if that fits your budget better. What it does. The Hume Body Pod measures 45 health metrics in under 60 seconds. Body fat percentage, muscle mass, visceral fat, bone density, hydration, metabolic age, and segmental analysis showing muscle distribution in your arms, legs, and torso. It uses 8-frequency bioelectrical impedance analysis. Accuracy. The honest truth. Hume claims 98% correlation with DEXA scans, which is medical gold standard. Real-world testing shows measurements within 1 to 3% of DEXA. That's genuinely accurate for a consumer device. However, BIA technology has limitations. Hydration status, time of day, and meal timing all affect readings. The real value is trending. One measurement means nothing. 12 weeks of consistent measurements tell the story. The real PROS. Excellent accuracy for a home device. Segmental analysis most scales don't offer. Supports 24 user profiles. Automatic family recognition. AI-powered Hume Plus app with weekly reports. Integrates with Apple Health, Fitbit, Google Fit. Clean, modern design, 45-day risk-free trial. The Real Cons app requires you to open it before stepping on the scale for full data. Bluetooth sync isn't automatic.